The ROBODRILL Alpha DIB Plus series is FANUC's latest compact machining center with capabilities which are the best in its class. The high-rigidity mechanism and high-power spindle motor enable ROBODRILL to conduct extremely efficient machining of aluminum and steel parts. DDR-IB, the additional one-axis direct drive rotary table with a DD motor, enables high-speed, high-precision indexing and consolidation of machining processes. QSSR enables easy connection of ROBODRILLs to robots. This promotes automation in machining factories. Collaborative robots have made it possible to build highly flexible robot systems which does not require a safety fence.